The Millionaire Partner System is a transformative approach to personal finance and investment that promises to enhance your wealth building capabilities. With its comprehensive strategies and tools, this system enables you to leverage partnerships with like-minded individuals, maximizing both your potential and resources. By adopting a collaborative mindset, you can accelerate your financial growth and build a network that supports your ambitions. One of the standout features of the Millionaire Partner System is its emphasis on education. It goes beyond traditional investment advice by providing users with training materials, online courses, and workshops led by seasoned experts. This educational component helps you understand market trends, investment strategies, and risk management techniques. With this knowledge at your fingertips, you can make informed financial decisions and confidently navigate the complexities of wealth creation. Another compelling reason to use the Millionaire Partner System is its unique networking opportunities. The platform connects you with a diverse group of professionals, entrepreneurs, and investors who share your goals. This community-driven aspect can lead to valuable partnerships that enhance your investment prospects. Imagine collaborating with individuals who have different expertise and connections, enabling you to tap into new markets and discover innovative opportunities. The Millionaire Partner System also emphasizes goal setting and accountability. By joining, you're not just exploring wealth building strategies, you're committing to a serious plan for your financial future. The system encourages you to set specific, measurable goals and frequently evaluates your progress. This structured approach ensures that you stay focused, motivated, and on track to achieve your financial aspirations, making it easier to maintain momentum. Lastly, the Millionaire Partner System is designed to make wealth building accessible to everyone, regardless of their current financial situation. Whether you are a seasoned investor or just starting, the system offers resources tailored to your level of expertise. Through its user-friendly interface and comprehensive support, you can engage with the material at your own pace, ensuring a personalized journey toward financial independence. By taking advantage of this innovative system, you're not just investing in potential profits, you're investing in yourself and your future. Sign up in the description below to get the system help support the channel. Complete your order today. Please like, share, and subscribe.